Okay, so I got the stock radiator still installed. I'm gonna disconnect everything, the hoses, empty the coolant out and everything. So I'm gonna get it ready to install the new radiator, and yeah, I'll get right back to it. Took out the reservoir, disconnected top hose. I'm gonna pull it outwards. Also disconnect this. You don't want to forget. Let's just pull it out. Yeah. All right, so I'm gonna pull it out and just take it off from the bottom, and I'll get back to it after that. Okay, took the radiator out with the fan. I think I might cut this wire so I can splice it into the new one, into the new fan that's up here. There, it's got 2 wires. That way I can just use it like factory again. Sorry about my voice, I'm a little bit sick. That way I can connect it to this. So I'm gonna install it, put it in, see how it goes. Alright, I'm putting on the fan now. I'm wiring it so the wire's up closer to the connector. So to put these plastic things in, they come like this. And they come with a spring, little foam pads, and then a lock clip. So to put it in, I first stick it through the bottom like this, put the cushion, spring, and then the zip. So I'll do that for all 4 corners, and then I'll get back to it. Put it back in the car. Now I'm testing the fan out, seeing which way it's blowing. So just switch the wires till it faces the right way, which I believe is this way, towards the engine. So it sucks the heat out. Alright, so yeah. Alright, as you can see, it's blowing. It's actually blowing pretty good. No pun intended. So the air is blowing this way, so it sucks the air out. And as you're driving, air is coming in and cools down the radiator a lot quicker. So I got the blue wire connected to the black and red stripe wire, and the black is connected to the all black, which is ground. So remember, the blue wire connects to the red stripe on the black wire. Alright, now all I gotta do is fill it up and bleed it, and I'll be able to take it for a test drive. I would probably help, probably wondering how I have the fan running. I actually have it jumped right now. So I took the thermostat, let me move this shit real quick. Right on the thermostat, you got your switch right here. I'm trying to get it right there. Just unplug it and jump it. I just use a speaker wire, put it in both ports, and that'll make it force it to turn on. So, yeah, and that's it. Alright, so now I'm bleeding it. I filled it up. I want to wait till all the bubbles are gone. So this is a dual core, so it's going to take a little bit longer than that one, which is a single. Fits really nice. A lot of room. I hooked up the switch back up so it turns on, so I can let the motor warm up. Otherwise it'll take forever to heat up. But yeah, you keep doing this until you have no more bubbles. Make sure you got hot heat coming out. It's pretty cold here in Florida right now. Supposedly it's supposed to be like 34 tonight, so I'm gonna get the heat working for a little bit. And then I gotta get my AC still back in. So alright, after this video I'll make a video of a pool. Alright, now I'm gonna go test drive it. Had no more bubbles coming out, and see how it goes. Alright, we're gonna do a pool. Got the new radiator installed. I know it's kind of loud right now, so I'll do a 30 pull. just an eBay turbo kit slapped on. Temperature still on half, so that's perfect. Heat's still working good too. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the video. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll be making more videos soon.